Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Tuesday morning, November 26, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker. Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. Stocks climbed with bonds while the dollar fell as traders welcomed Donald Trump's pick of Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary, expecting the hedge fund manager to bring a Wall Street mindset to the role. Markets kicked off the week with a risk on tone as Bessent has deep familiarity with global financial systems, a trade that has made him palatable to investors. Donald Trump's pick of Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary helped lift the Dow Jones Industrial Average to its 45th record closing high and prompted a major rally in treasuries on Monday, with investors expecting that the long term investor might reduce risks around tariffs, and the budget deficit. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 440 points, 0.99% to 44,736, which was a record closing high. The S&P 500 rose 18 points, or 0.30% to 5,987, and the Nasdaq Composite rose 51 points, or 0.27% to 19,054. All three major stock indices advanced, building on gains from last week. The rally in Treasuries sent the yield on the 10-year note tumbling to 4.262% from 4.409% on Friday. The rise in yields, which helps set borrowing costs across the economy, has been one area of concern in an otherwise buoyant post election environment. Gains were broad-based, with 9 out of the 11 S&P 500 sectors finishing in the green. The decline in Treasury yields, which promises to drag down mortgage rates, provided a big lift to home builders, with Pult Group shares jumping 6.1% and DR Horton stock rising 5.8%. In other trading, super microcomputer shares continue to rebound, climbing 16% amid rising hopes that it can stay listed on the Nasdaq despite recent problems with its financial reporting. Energy stocks fell along with oil prices as hopes increased for a ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hezbollah. Oil prices fell more than $2 per barrel. US crude futures settled down 3.23%, or $2.30 at $68.94 per barrel, and Brent finished at 73.01 per barrel, down 2.87%, or $2.16 on the day. The WSJ dollar index fell after ending last week at a 2-year high. The threat of increased tariffs has helped boost the dollar since Trump's election win. The dollar index fell 0.56% to 106.89. Bitcoin traded around 95,000 after almost touching $100,000 last week. MicroStrategy said it had added another 5.4 billion to its huge Bitcoin hoard. Gold prices fell sharply, breaking a 5 session rally as reports of Israel's nearing a ceasefire Hezbollah, coupled with Trump's Treasury Secretary pick, tarnished demand for the safe haven precious metal. Spot gold fell 3.14% to $2,627 a troy ounce. Key events this week. In a trading week shortened by Thursday's US Thanksgiving holiday, key events will include the release of October personal consumption expenditures, the latest GDP estimate, and the US Federal Reserve minutes from its last meeting. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section, what are your thoughts for the market? Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.